to the channel. I'm Viper. Today we're going to talk about this board game called All On Board. It's a VR tabletop real life board game that you play with you and your friends. Y'all can hop in and play card games. They got checkers, they got chess, and they got a whole bunch of different games that you can play, board games. Most of them I have not personally heard of. You can play these games and only one person needs to own the DLC packs. Once one person owns the DLC packs, everybody can jump and join in. You can have the people that's playing the game and you can have spectators in there. Most of these board games have different environments, so that's a cool feature about it. Each game puts you in a different type of environment. And this game goes by real life. This game is not trying to tell you, you can't do this, you can't do that, this person is cheating. It don't tell you none of that. So if you're playing a game like Spades and you renege or whatever like that, the other person don't know, they just won't know because the game is not going to force or tell you guys what is it. So it works off an honor system. And that's how the developers wanted this game to be. Listen, I did some gameplay. Me and my boy Ron went inside. You can check it out. Hit that like button and subscribe and check out the gameplay.
Hey, there he is.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
I was trying to get out of the tutorial again, and I was like, how do I do this? It said do the smartwatch, and it wasn't doing anything. And then I used the left menu button, and then it worked.
And then it just came, yeah, because I wiped my whole headset, so it almost kind of made me do the thing again. I was like, no, I don't want to do that again. So what you want to do? Like, you want to go to a card game first?
Yeah, we can do a card game.
All right. So this is All On Board. This is the first thing. I'm here with my man Ron, and we're going to check it out. Right now, I got this thing in the middle, and it says like session configuration. And it's like relax, competition, or role play, chatting, crazy.
I sure do like these environments.
I do like the environment. I think they put some time into that. So I guess we'll do Crazy Eights. Pick a seat. Yeah.
So I remember last time there was some challenges with the watch menu, which I did find if I press the menu on the left button or on the left controller, it does also activate the menu, which is helpful.
Oh, okay.
And I noticed in the tutorial, like when you're sitting at the table going through the different steps, it does say that you have to learn the rules just like in real life. Which is kind of along the lines of when we were having the challenges last time where we're like, okay, I can take your cards if I wanted to. I can throw the cards off the table. There's no guardrails around guiding someone into the gameplay.
They wanted this to feel like a real life card game. No rules. It's just like an honor system, how you were saying. It wouldn't work in multiplayer, I think. But if I know the person and if me and you was just sitting here playing cards in real life, I wouldn't just take your cards. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That would be great. Kind of crazy. I think that's what they're going for, is real life decks.
What game are we playing here?
This is Crazy Eights. I think it was a way to deal them.
I can pick up this card that tells me the card and the points. Oh, was it the button in the middle on the bottom?
Is it?
Oh, wait, no, that flipped my cards around. Are you able to see my cards right now?
Nope, I can't even see my own cards. Okay.
I can't see my own cards either. Oh, now I picked my cards. Oh, there we go. So I grabbed my cards and put them back in my hand.
Ah, there it goes. Shuffle cards.
Oh, there we go. Now I got my cards. Okay.
Ah, all right. For y'all guys to know, you put your hand over it, you hit the B button, and then you use your other hand to either shuffle the cards or deal the cards.
I can see my cards right now. Now, if I flip them around like this, you cannot see my cards.
You cannot see my cards, no. It's a toggle up there that you can do that. So that'd be real life.
Yep. So now I toggled that on and I do this. Now you can see my cards.
Right. See?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have to know how many cards are in Crazy 8 though, because it shuffled out the right amount of cards for Crazy 8.
How do you play Crazy 8? I don't know the rules.
Me neither, but I think they have like this button over here.
That's great.
It's something on the watch, right?
Oh, learn to play. Okay.
How you type that on the watch?
So I turn my wrist over and now it's activating. But if it's not activating, I just hit that menu button on the left controller. Oh, Crazy Eights. Here we go. Draw 8 cards. Each player must place 1 card face up on the starter pile. Oh, 8s are wild. There it is. Okay.
All right.
There.
All right. So you just point. I don't even have to go like that. I could just point at it and boom, it just goes there. Okay, cool. People gonna be like, these guys don't know how to play Crazy Eights. What kind of childhood they had. No, I just play hardcore gambling. No, sugar. You know what? I had a diamond, right? So,
did you?
So I had a diamond, but I thought you would probably have a diamond, so I tried to change the suit, and it didn't work. So yeah, so it gave me a -1.
Why don't they have any bald guys in here? Like, all these people have good hair.
It said customizing coming soon, so maybe they're gonna customize it. But they should have at least one bald person, right?
Yeah.
They do got gray hair though. Like that haircut is tight.
Yeah, I would take any of those haircuts. Although my kids would then say I look weird.
They might be like, yo, look at my kind of cool dad. All right, let's try Air Dark Overlord.
Oh, wow.
Right. Different environment. That's pretty dope.
This is cool. So do you have to have a Dark Overlord and a not Dark Overlord? Okay, so I chose the not. Okay. What am I, a goblin?
We're gonna see.
I think I'm a goblin. Okay.
All right, there you go.
Okay, there's some cards.
So do we need to learn how to play?
Yeah, I think I need to learn how to play. Oh, geez, there's a whole wiki and everything.
What? Right? Rule book.
Oh, boy.
That's the whole rule book they got in here. It's a cool environment, though.
Seems like you need more than 2 players. Yeah, because I'm a servant and you're rigor mortis. So I've got these cards in my hand and they're like different excuses for an agenda that I think you might have in your hand. Essentially, there's some sort of a task that somebody's supposed to complete. And if the task doesn't get completed, then the servants that are around the table have to explain to you why it wasn't them. Like they're not the problem for why it didn't get completed.
The blame game.
Yeah. Basically, that's what it seems like. It wasn't me because I was in the wrong place. Oh, you got me. Oh, yeah. That was another thing with the movement in this is the whole, like, you could then fly up, but there's a limit. Oh, I think I'm at the edge of it.
That's right. Return. I can see the chin there. I like this.
Yeah.
I think they should add a YouTube jukebox in here.
That would be cool.
Because the environment is pretty cool. This is All on Board. I think it's a pretty cool game, especially if you got a couple of friends that know these games. They have like a Monopoly in here or a Game of Life or something like that. I think it'd be pretty dope if you had those type of games that people know. Because you imagine Monopoly with like Boardwalk and then you see a train go past, or when you go to jail, a whole jail thing comes up. That'd be dope. Something that people play. And if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Hit that like button right there. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Badass. That'll be great. Yes.